In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group reminders in Google Calendar. We'll organize your reminders by using Google Tasks, which is built right into Google Calendar. This keeps everything in one place and makes it easy to manage by category, project, or priority. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. On the right-hand side of the calendar, you'll see a vertical panel with icons. Click the tasks icon to open your tasks. This is where your calendar reminders appear as tasks, so you can sort and group them without leaving calendar. To get more space and a clearer view, open tasks in full screen. Use the pop-out option to launch Google Tasks in its own tab. This gives you a dedicated workspace to review and organize everything without distractions. In the full screen view, you'll land on My Tasks. Here you can see the list of your existing tasks and reminders. If you already use Google Reminders, they'll show here automatically. Take a quick moment to scan what you've got so you know what categories or groups will be helpful. Next, create a new list to group related reminders. Look for the Create New List option and click it. Give your list a clear, memorable name, something like Later, Personal, Work, or a project title. Lists act like folders, so naming them thoughtfully will make it easier to find things at a glance. Once your list is created, it's time to group your reminders. Simply drag a task by its title and drop it into the appropriate list. This doesn't delete or duplicate the task, it just moves it, keeping your workspace tidy. If you have multiple categories, repeat this drag and drop action for each reminder so everything lands in the right place. Keep an eye on the sidebar of lists while you work. You can drag from My Tasks into your new list and back again if you change your mind. The goal is to place each reminder into the list that best matches its category or timing. This visual sorting makes reviewing your day or week faster and more focused. When you return to Google Calendar, your tasks remain organized and you can choose which lists to display. If something isn't visible, make sure the tasks layer is turned on so your grouped reminders appear alongside your events. And that's it. Open Calendar, launch tasks, create a new list, and drag your reminders into the right group. Simple, clear, and much easier to manage.